Hello guys, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pink, and in today's video I'm going to talk about that Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey warns hyperinflation will soon happen in the US and in the world. And this was a very popular tweet, put it this way, what he has tweeted, and there are many discussions under it. So let's talk about it. Okay, the second thing I would like to talk about is Reddit is readying an NFT platform. They are hiring now new people. And the third news is all about that YouTube channels hacked and rebranded for live stream crypto scams. So people have to be very careful. Guys, all this in today's video. Well, sorry for my voice. I got the flu or something. You know, the kids brought it home from kindergarten and school. The nice presents for the parents. But, you know, the show must go on. So, yeah, well, this is my voice today, but it's going to work. No worries. So, if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, but you really would like to get this daily fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news, then simply hit the subscribe button, bell button and all, and I'm bringing them for you every weekday. Also, if you like this content, smash the like button and check out the links under this video. And now let's move on to the market. And we can see that Bitcoin, it's up now 1.5%, 61,891 US dollar. Then we have Ethereum kind of going sideways, 4,120. When we're looking at the top gainers, we see Torchain up about 20%. The Graph is up 13 and Phantom going up 13 as well. That's my flu, sorry. Okay, and yes, looking at the losers, Zcash going down 7, OKB 5, and DYDX 4%. Not big deal. When we're looking at here the chart, we can see now that, you know, we had this kind of uptrend, and I drew here this trend line. Let's put it this way so you can see it more clearly. You know, this was our trend line, which was basically broken on the 22nd, roughly, yeah, 21st, 22nd, around that, October. And since that, you can see this, you know, pullback a little bit. And if you look at it from the top, all the way it went down 11%. Now we are on the 4-hour chart. Kinda, we formed here, even if it's not perfect, like a double bottom, if you're looking at this. And then now we started here up, and yeah, sorry, this is bad. This is not a candle. This is I drew it here. Okay, so the last one is here, the green candle. I guess I used here the wrong color. It's a bit confusing, but it's not a red candle, as you can see. This is not the same thickness. So yeah, if you get the target from here, put it up here, then you can see that maybe goes up to 64,000. This could be the target here in a short term. When you're looking at the EMA ribbon, you can see we are above it. This is, again, actually a good sign. And if you remember, I put this line here at 58, 59,000-ish. Now this is around end of 58. So this was the kind of support level I was looking at when we had the pullback. And actually, it turned back just above it. So it just went down to 59,000. At the beginning of 59,000, didn't even touch the 58, but we were very close to that kind of support. You know, you not always match it exactly, but you're around that. And now we turned back. So we'll see how this will now play out. Okay, and let's move on to the first news. And the first one will be about Jack Dorsey's tweet, who is the CEO of Twitter. And all about that he warns about hyperinflation, which is coming soon to the US and to the world. At least this is what he's saying. Well, we do know that inflation is on. This is not a question. But now Jack Dorsey warns that the hyperinflation, which is a pretty strong one, will soon happen in the US and in the world. And, you know, he tweeted this here, that hyperinflation is going to change everything. It's happening. It will happen in the US soon, and so the world. So, because if it's happening to the US dollar, probably it's happening to the whole world. And this comment basically flooded the tweet at the time of writing. It had generated more than 7K comments and had been liked more than 70 times, retweeted 22,000 times. In following up tweets, Dorsey emphasized what I just read. It will happen soon in the US and also, whoops, this is not the one I wanted to do. Okay. And the Twitter CEO tweet came as consumer price inflation is running near 30-year high in the US. And there are increasing concerns that the problem could be worse than the policymakers let on. If you remember, the Fed's chairman Jeremy Powell acknowledged Friday that inflation pressures are likely to last longer than previously expected and could run well into next year. So they always say that, okay, no worries. Yeah, well, it's a bit, running longer. But we do know that actually it's a very, very hard thing to pull it back. On the other hand, we have economist Steve Hank, a Bitcoin skeptic who prides himself as an expert on inflation and hyperinflation, commented, there have been 62 certified hyperinflations in the world history. At the present, no country is experiencing hyperinflation. Jack should know better than the tweet irresponsible public statements. So he was a bit harsh with Jack. So this kind of tweet got all kind of reactions. I would be curious, what do you think? Is really hyperinflation, in your opinion, coming soon? Or we do have a bit time left? Well, we will see, but definitely inflation is on. And also, JP Morgan is saying that they see bullish outlook for Bitcoin as inflation concerns push Bitcoin price higher. So global investment bank JP Morgan says inflation concerns are pushing the price of Bitcoin to record highs rather than interest in the recently launched Bitcoin futures exchange traded funds in ETFs. So we do know that many people talked about that ETFs are the main catalyst now for the Bitcoin price, but inflation, it's another one. And they're also saying that instead we believe the perception of Bitcoin as better inflation hedge than gold is the main reason for the current upswing, triggering a shift away from gold ETF into Bitcoin fund since September. So now from gold ETFs, they're moving to Bitcoin ETF just because it looks like better against the inflation. And this is one of the main reasons why Bitcoin is actually pumping and the Bitcoin ETF is so popular. Right. Okay, then let's move on to the next one. The next one is all about Reddit, this very big social media platform, as they are getting ready for an NFT platform. So let's talk about it. We do know that NFTs are getting hot, it's no question, and more participants would like to take part in that. Reddit, it's readying an NFT platform, and in a job position for senior engineer, the social media giant said that a rapidly growing team was looking to build the largest creator economy on the internet and add Reddit to the list of big brands entering the non-fungible token market. The social media site intends to build an NFT platform for buying and selling crypto collectibles. Reddit said that it was looking for someone who could design, build, and ship backend service for millions of users to create, buy, sell, and use NFT-backed digital goods. Reddit noted that the posting noted in the posting, fans of today's biggest creators and brands are now flocking to buy digital goods directly from them to support them, to gain exclusive access and feel a greater sense of connection with them. Over time, we believe this will only grow. So they also believe in NFTs. And guess what? Reddit is now getting ready for an NFT platform, which will make crypto even more popular. And of course, even NFTs more popular. Right. And the next topic I would like to talk about is a scam thing. Basically, YouTube channels are hacked and rebranded for live stream crypto scams. So you guys have to be very careful. Well, we do know that in crypto there are many scams, and one of them is one of the platforms the scammers using is definitely YouTube. So the platform we are on right now. And when you're looking at this news, you can see that YouTube channels are hacked and rebranded for live stream crypto scams. So Google's threat analysis group, THG, attributes that attacks to a group of hackers recruited in Russia-speaking forum that sells the hacked YouTube channels to the higher bidder. So basically, it's a Russian-speaking forum, and they hack these YouTube channels and they sell them, and you can bid basically that how much you would like to pay for it, and then start to run your scam. A large number of hijacked channels were rebranded for cryptocurrency scam live streaming. On account trading markets, hijacked channels ranged from $3 to $4,000 depending on the number of subscribers. So basically, the bigger, the more it cost. The attackers live stream videos promising cryptocurrency giveaways in exchange for initial contribution. And this is the key, guys. If you see any live streams, they asking you that send me 1 Bitcoin, we send 2 back to you. This is definitely a scam. Don't fall into this, okay? And YouTube is definitely a platform where these kind of scams are alive. Of course, they are taken down as soon as possible, but they have their own time till they are on YouTube, they are live and they're collecting money. So be very careful. Don't get confused. You can see actually talking Elon Musk or the Winklevoss twins or whatever, because they're just using some kind of footage, and then the goal is totally different. Those guys in the video are not even talking about that, but they want you to join and you believe that, okay, well, this is like a giveaway now. Okay, why not? I sending 1 in, get 2 back. It goes with all kind of cryptocurrencies, but mainly with Bitcoin. And yeah, you will never receive any. So your savings are gone if you send them to them. Okay, so watch out for these things. These are on for a while, but now we see that actually it's a process now that there is a group. They are actually hacking these sites and reselling them. This is actually pretty bad. Okay, so if you see something like that, report it. Guys, thanks a lot for watching. If you like this kind of content, smash the like button. And also, I will be back tomorrow with the freshest. Subscribe to this YouTube channel so you don't miss a single important news, because I bring them for you every weekday. So have a good one. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.